Welcome back to Rare Coins and Lost Antiques. Today, we're looking at the 1994 F2 Pfennig coin from Germany. This small copper-plated steel coin weighs just 3.06 grams and measures 18.75 millimeters. It was minted in 1994 at the Stuttgart Mint, marked with an F, and was part of the Bundesrepublik Deutschland series used before the euro. The obverse features the iconic federal eagle of Germany, symbolizing unity and strength. On the reverse, you'll see the denomination 2 Pfennig surrounded by an oak twig, a classic German motif. Though small, it carries historical charm from post-reunification Germany. Most 1994 F2 Pfennig coins are common, but coins in uncirculated or high-grade condition can fetch a few dollars among collectors. Look for crisp details on the eagle and oak twig for the best examples. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to support Rare Coins and Lost Antiques. Stay tuned for more hidden treasures from history.